Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Most of the plants and trees that are in my garden are either planted by me or my family member. We go to the nursery to buy seasonal plants every season, and most of the following plants are replaced every season as they die due to climate change. After buying them, we plant these sapling of plants in a strategical order so that garden looks more colorful. To conclude, we can say that gardening is a good and productive habit. Also, it helps a person to establish a connection with the greenery and love towards nature. Besides, for most of the people, the best memories of childhood attached to the garden. Garden is a place where families share their evening tea and discussions that keep their bond stronger. Above all, a garden is the most amazing place of the house, or no matter what the season is. And gardening, most people love the plants and trees. That's why they have a garden in their homes. Beside this, they would provide a relaxing and calm surrounding with fresh air, and it decorate a sides of a house and gives a pleasant smell that make the whole house aromatic. And why green plants grow better outside than inside? Plants grow better outside because, in comparison to indoor plants, outdoor plants need sunlight to grow. The sunlight helps them to make their food by the process called photosynthesis, which they consume. Understood? And some there say that the gardening is so prettiest hobby, and is the only place in the house which calms senses and give a pleasant feeling in the mind and body. Also, you can initiate and gazebo in the garden and enjoy your garden in beauty while sitting on it. My garden many flowering plants that give a layering fragrance